What's going on, everybody? How's everybody doing out there? Well, today I'm in Cabot, Arkansas, and I'm here to meet Jason the Train Freak. Y'all know Jason the Train Freak. Make sure you go in the description, check out his link to his channel. And he said there's one coming, and let's check it out. He's pulling in right now. So I'm in Cabot, Arkansas, and look who I'm with. Jason the Train Freak, and we got a train coming right now. This is awesome. That was awesome. Yeah. Couldn't have got better timing than that. Although we didn't get a lot of video of Jason, but we did get a train with Jason, and it was a pleasure meeting him. I'm so glad I got to stop in and meet him. Thanks a lot, Jason. Appreciate it.
Yes, thank you too, Pappy.
And everybody, make sure you stop by my description. Check out the link to Jason the Train Freak's YouTube channel.
And if you're not subscribed to Pappy, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and fill in the bell. Do it on my channel too. So
there
help
you
us
go.
Both out.
So from Cabot, Arkansas, with Jason the Train Freak, Pappy out. And there he goes, Jason the Train Freak. Cabot, Arkansas, on the UP line.